What's up, YouTube family? So what's going on is I got the BMW E28, you probably remember it, and this past winter I picked up a cheap beater, bought a Honda Civic, dirt cheap, paid like 1,500 bucks for it, runs great, 5-speed manual, E28, 5-speed manual. Haven't really done anything to either of the cars. I'm not going to do anything to the Civic because it's a Civic. E28, slowly building out, takes some time. But I got quite distracted and I actually purchased something really cool that I want to show you guys. So I just bought, after selling the 335 Xi, I bought a Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. This is the 997.1. It's got a 3.8 liter flat 6 boxer engine. It's black on black. Needs a little bit of paint correction. It's got some rock chips and some scratches. I live in Michigan, so I don't want to buy a perfect car, because buying a perfect car I'd be a little bothered if I got a rock chip on it and it wouldn't be perfect anymore. So it's got some life to it. I'm gonna take it on some rallies. I'll take care of it. I took care of the 335. Got a great deal on that car too, and I sold it. Here it is. Needs new badges on the back. Last guy plasti dipped it. Don't plasti dip your 911. Come on, it's a 911. You don't do that crap. Like, that's BMW stuff. You do that to BMWs. Yeah, I'll show you the interior here. Anyways, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to be producing more content soon for the Porsche 911. Anyways, make sure to check me out on Instagram at Collins Camera. But more content coming soon. Probably thinking about doing a lighting mod, a couple other cool things for it. And who knows, maybe even someday I'll twin turbo it. I have no idea. But this is my first exotic car. I'm really excited. I worked hard for it. Shot a lot of weddings for it. Anyways, here it is, my 2008 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S.